Welcome to our channel, Learn and Fun with Emir. In today's video, we're diving into the world of daily used idioms with an engaging fill-in-the-blank exercise. These idioms are common in everyday conversations, and mastering them will make you sound more fluent and natural in English. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Stop beating around the bar and tell me what happened. Answer: bush. Explanation: avoiding the main topic or being indirect. 2. Don't put all your laundry in one basket. Answer: eggs. Explanation: don't risk everything on a single plan. 3. It's not rocket. Anyone can do it. Answer: science. Explanation: refers to something simple or easy to understand. 4. When he got the promotion, he was on cloud. Awa. Answer: 9. Explanation: extremely happy or ecstatic. 5. Let's cross that when we come to it. Answer: bridge. Explanation: don't worry about a problem until it actually happens. 6. I've got a lot on my eye right now with work and family. Answer: plate. Explanation: being very busy or having many responsibilities. 7. The team worked against the suckers to finish the project on time. Answer: clock. Explanation: working with urgency or under a tight deadline. 8. She spilled the chaos about the surprise party. Answer: beans. Explanation: revealed secret or confidential information. 9. He's burning the midnight sun to study for his exams. Answer: oil. Explanation: working late into the night. 10. Don't cry over spilled. Answer: milk. Explanation: don't worry about things that cannot be changed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, idioms add color to your language and help you connect better with native speakers. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.